January 13th, 2021 vocabulary. Place the X over the puzzle piece that is not a unit rate. Remember, a unit rate is going to be with a denominator of 1. So let's take a look at these. So we have 6 frogs per lily pad. 6 frogs per lily pad. So that's per 1 lily pad. Down here, 100 cars pass in 1 hour. 100 cars pass in 1 hour. 1 week, Sam earns $400. Remember, money on top. $400 for 1 week. 28 students and 1 teacher. And then 4 pizzas for 3 people. Which does not have a denominator of 1? Let's take a look. 1, 1, 1, 1. Oop! 3. So we are going to place an X over this purple one because that's 4 over 3, 4 to 3, and that is not what we need. So that's going to be it for our vocab. Great job!